Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss Google Cloud free generative AI course. First, I will give you a brief introduction to the course and then I will show you how to proceed with it. This course will explain what is generative AI is, how it is used and how it is different from the traditional machine learning methods. It also covers how you can develop your own generative AI apps. Now let me proceed with the course. So this is the course actually, and you can see the introduction to generative AI. The two main topics, generative AI and machine learning. The total duration of this course is 45 minutes, no cost. And here you can see the explanation, which I have already explained to you. So what is generative AI and how it is used and how it is different from traditional machine learning methods. And you can also develop your own generative AI apps after doing this course. After completion of this course, you will get this kind of badge. Now let me go to more detail. So here you can see the introduction to generative AI, one video, one document and one quiz. And now here you can see the video introduction to generative AI 22 minutes, document introduction to generative AI reading 30 minutes, and quiz is introduction to generative AI quiz 10 minutes. After completion of all these three, you will get the badge. Now how we can enroll for this course, I will show you. So you have to just go to the Google and here you have to type introduction to generative AI by Google Cloud. Just click here. You will see the first link, introduction to generative AI. Just click here. And on the top you can see the join button. So just you have to click on the join button. And if you don't have a Gmail account, you have to fill out this form. And otherwise I have a Gmail account, so I'll click here, sign in with Google. Now I'll select my account. So now you are enrolled and ready to start your course. I have already completed this course, so you can see the message here also. And so you can see the course completion badge here, and all these modules are marked as a completed. So as you can see here. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.